Hello. In previous videos, you looked at creating leads and the grammar you need to make sure that subjects agree with verbs. In this video, we're going to look at the particular style called Associated Press, or AP style, that is used by journalists when they write for newspapers. AP style covers a lot, so we'll look at some of the most important parts of using AP style. We will look at three parts of AP style. 1. Capitalization. 2. Numbers. And 3. Dates. Let's look at capitalization first. This means when to use a capital letter at the beginning of a word. In general, we know that you use a capital letter for a word beginning a sentence and for certain nouns, such as the names of people, countries, or cities. In AP style, there are other reasons why we use a capital letter. The first reason is for titles, such as President, Prime Minister, Secretary, or Ambassador. However, we only use these capitals when the title comes before the name. For example, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. If his title came after his name, Shinzo Abe, the Prime Minister of Japan, it would not be capitalized. Another reason why we capitalize in AP style is if we're writing about an organization. So we would write about the World Health Organization or the Red Cross. A third reason why we capitalize in AP is for the names of books or movies. In these titles, every noun and verb, as well as the first word of the title, gets a capital letter, while other parts of speech do not. For example, The Name of the Rose, or The Force Awakens. Also note that when you write the title of a book or movie, you should use quotation marks, not italics. Now, let's look at numbers in AP style. Small numbers, from 1 through to 9, should always be spelled out. So we write the 7 pillars of wisdom, not the 7 pillars of wisdom. From 10 and above, we should use the numerals. So we write there are 54 countries in Africa, not there are 54 countries in Africa. When numbers get very large, we need to spell out parts of those numbers. You always spell out millions and billions. So you write, there are 250 million people in Indonesia, not there are 250 million people. Finally, when you're giving a percentage, you should always spell out the word percent, not use the symbol. So you would write, over 50% of the world's population has brown eyes, not over 50%. Lastly, we're going to look at dates. Regarding the months of the year, some should be abbreviated and some should not. All the months from August through to February should be abbreviated when they are written. Aug, Sep, Oct, Nov, etc. All the months from March to July should not be abbreviated. You should write out the whole word. This is because these words are short already. When we say the day of the month, we say first, second, third, etc. However, in AP style, you just write the number without ST or ND or RD. So December 1st would be written Dec 1. So, in this video, you looked at how to write using AP style. You looked at using capitalization, writing numbers, and dates. You can practice what you've learned in the game that follows this video.